Akirekereria ndomereri yake thutha wa guthurwo gutungata ikereka ria mugwanja ta president wa Uganda, Yoweri Museveni ni acokeria rumiriri yake ngatho kuria oho onekete kunyururia mung'ethaniro, akiuga wina munyaka amwe arumiriri yake matineyumiria othe guikia kura.
Now I want to thank God for this victory and all the victories we have had in the last 50 years. 55 years of struggle. The opposition were lucky because 10 million of my people did not turn up. They would have been embarrassed badly.
Museveni oho nionekete gukirira atongoria amwe a mung'ethaniro aria augite marabangite njama cia guthararia maumirira ma githurano kiu, undu uria augite uracungiririe borithi marathi andu mugwanja aria marageragia gucungiriria ngui ceceni-ini cia guikia kura.
The plan everywhere was that where NUP is defeated, gangs with the pangas, you remember pangas? With the pangas should attack the polling station. And that's what they did. When Chivimba was defeated, they came with the pangas to attack the polling station and they were shot. 7 of them were shot dead there.
Kuringana na Museveni hindi ya wathani wake wa miaka 40 ni ahotete kwambatira ikiro cia andu aingi bururi-ini ucio, na nikio riu ikereka riri ria mugwanja agukorwo agikirira hari kunina ũkĩa uria ugumire gicunji kia 30 tu kia aikari a bururi ucio.
In order to stabilize the country, we must end poverty in these homesteads. In this coming Sanje, we should have no compromise. All these homesteads, unless they don't want, they must have capacity to have income, give intandikwa to start generating money for their, so that they are not poor.
Museveni oho ni oreti atongoria a ndini ya bururi wa Uganda macarie njira cia kurungaria morite na makiria atongoria amwe a mung'ethaniro aria augite makoretwo makihuthirwo ni mabururi mangi niguo guthararia thayo wa Uganda. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.